So creating a YouTube banner that looks like this. Right now, you could see that on the desktop, YouTube is showing you what it will look like when you are uploading this particular banner. On a TV, it will show you what it looks like, and on mobile phone, it will also show you what it looks like. So if you are watching this video, chances are you are a creator. So as a creator, go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more quality content like this. Go ahead and also hit the like and comment section of this channel, and thank you. Now let's jump right in. Over here, you want to go to canvas.com/templates. So typically I go ahead and search for a template to use, discover all the templates. So as soon as you click on the search bar, you could already see all the templates that you could create. And so what I will do, I will go ahead and hit YouTube channel art. So go ahead and click on that. Over here, it will show you all kinds of templates that you could use to get a really good looking banner for your YouTube channel, right? So we will choose one. I like ones with bold letters. This might be a good one to use. And so right here, it basically tells you the size of the image, which is this size is a typical size for a YouTube banner image. It will really fit it well. So, and when you actually click here, it will start suggesting ones that are similar to that one. So, but we'll go ahead and use this one regardless, because we'll end up changing everything here. So we might as well use it. Now, something to note is that wherever this letter are, you want to leave it there, because that's the main thing that will show up on the desktop. So now the first thing I like to do is to go to background and pick a dark background. Maybe I want to pick something that kind of looks gamey too, like something like this would be probably good. So it's a little brighter than I would like it to be. Now, before we go ahead, let's go ahead and delete this. I don't want it. Okay, now let's drag it back in the middle. So if you go to effects, you could pick some really cool effect, but I don't want to mess with that. Let's go ahead and go to filter, and I like to pick this straight futuristic kind of looking. Now I could go even further to adjust the brightness and the contrast. Maybe that will be good. And I want to blow it a little bit, just a little bit. Now, yep, that looks good. Now I want to flip it so that it's going away from my letter. That's good. All right. So now at this point, you could go ahead and type in the name of your channel. Cool. Say our channel name is Cool Game. Cool Game. All right. Then you probably want to say something like, we post Tuesdays and Fridays. Now I want to change the size of this to maybe 80 will probably be cool. Now I want to change the size to maybe 250. All right, this is actually looking good already. So now the next thing I want to do is to add an element to this. So as you can see already, gave me my recently used ones. But if you can't find this, all you need to do is just to type in game on the search bar, and you could find some really cool looking game related elements. So what I do, I just go ahead and pick this one up. Now it's black and the background is black, so you can't really see it. So what I usually do is go ahead and change the color to white or red. I like red. So go ahead and reduce the size. So I want to put it right in the middle. Now the next element I would like to add is a YouTube element. Let's go ahead and click on element. Go ahead and hit YouTube. I want to get one of these. So if you don't have it on your screen, go ahead and type in YouTube element. There now you have a wide selection. So I just like to use this particular one, and I'll go ahead and put it right there and reduce the size. I like to leave it right around 300. So now I could change it, change the color. I could even reduce the size even smaller and just leave it right in the middle right there. And in less time, let me go ahead and increase it just a little bit, smidge bit. All right, here we go. And let me pull it up a little bit. Here we go. And in less than, we are already having a very good looking banner. So another thing that I would like to do is to go to text over here, and I like to use my Boo text, this text right here. And right now it's black, so I am going to change the color to white and go ahead and reduce the size to about 80, and go ahead and reduce this size right here. Sometimes it's really hard to drag this thing, so now I could drag it around. So I just want to put it right here, so I could go ahead and say game reviews. Then I could go ahead and copy this and put it on the next side, and maybe say game videos. All right, so this is already looking really professional. Cool games, and you could use this. So at this moment, I just leave it like this. Too much is not always good. So I think this is a good looking banner already. And the last thing you want to do is to go ahead and download it. So when you want to download it, you want to click on the download here. Typically, when I do the drop down and do download, you could do a share, you could do Facebook page, or send it to friend, but you want to download it, and you could select JPEG or PDF. I just leave it at PNG file, and as soon as you have it selected on PNG file, go ahead and hit download, and it will start downloading. After download, it will start promoting their paid version that you could get a lot more feature with it, but this is the free version, and I've been using the free version. It works pretty well for what I need to do. And here's our picture right here, looking pretty good, right? So this is actually really cool. And now to upload it to your YouTube, go to your channel, obviously, and when you're at your banner, you could go ahead and hit the camera button and select it. I believe this is the one that we just did. This is the one that I did before. This is the one that we just did today, and it will start uploading. When it's done uploading, as you could see the cool games on all device, and it looks pretty good. And that's it. I hope this video was useful. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and as usual, I will talk to you later.